Fellow pioneers, there's good news. Do you know that all our unverified Pi token can now be claimed? Yes, that's right. We are getting back most portions of our unverified Pi. Now, I'll tell you how. I'll use one of my friend's accounts as an example. Listen attentively. So, here's my friend's account balance dashboard. On his unverified balance, he has 6,647 Pi, transferables 80 Pi, and the Pi that has been migrated to his mainnet so far is 4,689 Pi. Now, how are we supposed to claim this particular unverified Pi? Let me explain. You see, the reason why I decided to use my friend's account and not my own account is because it's a perfect and clear example. This, my friend, only has total of 15 referral, which he knows all of them personally. He knows the ones among the referrals who has done KYC and the one who haven't done theirs, unlike my own account with over 600 referrals I got from my YouTube account, which I don't know them personally. So now, my friend has started mining Pi since around 2019, and he got this 4,689 Pi coins migrated to his mainnet since around 2022. So, as at that time when he got migrated, only 2 of his referrals has also completed their KYC, so the token migrated was from the bonus he received from those 2 plus the ones he mined personally. So ever since around 2022 up till 2025, 6 more referrals out of his total 15 that he know personally has completed their KYC, and their unverified bonus hasn't been transferred to transferable balance yet. Here also contains large amount of the bonus token that's supposed to have been transferred to our transferables. That simply means the unverified token that we're looking at right here also contains large amount of our bonus token. That's supposed to have been transferred to our transferables, but we can't see it under transferables yet unless the other bonus of those who did not complete their KYC has been burned. That's the only time we'll be able to see the amount of our bonus token under this unverified Pi. I don't know if you guys understand my point, but if you understand it, let me hear you say Pi to the moon in the comments section. And I'm not just saying this from my head. It's also written right here on your Pi app that if your referral and security team members don't finish the mainnet checklist by the grace period deadline, you will lose some bonus Pi attributed to their contributions. Listen to that keyword, guys. They said some. Not all your Pi. Are you guys following? Now, if we'll apply that context to my friend's Pi that is still under unverified, he should still receive at least 4,000 of his unverified Pi because he has confirmed that about 6 more of his referrals has completed KYC after his first Pi migration. So that's such a good news. Now, Pi Network has risen to the 11th position among the world cryptocurrency. And now I'm sure the big question on everyone holding Pi coins' mind is that how will it make the price rise significantly? And most importantly, what is the few weeks ahead price prediction for Pi? We'll talk about that right now. But just before I proceed, there's something I need to tell you real quick. So, I've always been emphasizing on the fact that people are making thousands of dollars from just simple $0 airdrop tasks every single day. And I feel the need to be giving you guys the ones I has greatest potential right here, and also simple to do. This airdrop is backed by the popular Pantera Capital, and it's scheduled to launch just next month. This airdrop is called Tari, and it's a very simple task. First, click the link I'll drop in this video's description and also pin in the comment section. Then it'll redirect you to this page where you'll see Logan. Click on it to sign up, then verify this robot page. After that, you'll sign up by logging in with your Twitter. Once you've signed up, it's very important for you to complete this first 2 quests, or let me call it task. It's just to follow them on Twitter and retweet. That's all. You can also complete other tasks to earn more point. So simple. If you got confused anywhere, have any question, or you wish to be seeing high potential airdrop like this, you can join my personal Telegram group that I'll drop the link to join in this video's description and also pin in comment section. I'll also drop link to register the airdrop in this video's description and pin it in the comment section as well. That being said, let's proceed. So, Pi Network has officially climbed up the ranks, now sitting proudly as the 11th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Let's quickly understand why Pi Network's ranking matters. Being ranked at number 11 doesn't just mean Pi is popular. It signals trust, wider adoption, and most importantly, stronger market confidence. This growing confidence is crucial because it directly influences Pi's value once it fully opens to the global market. Now, for those wondering exactly how Pi's recent growth might significantly boost its price, let's carefully analyze some key points. First, Pi's mainnet migrations are becoming smoother and faster. More pioneers are completing their KYC process, resulting in larger migrations of Pi coins from their unverified balances to fully transferable balances. As we saw earlier in my friend's account example, thousands of Pi coins have already successfully migrated to mainnet wallets, and thousands more are waiting to join them soon. This increased activity is critical because each time more Pi coins enter the mainnet, the entire network gains strength, legitimacy, and credibility. Ultimately, that attracts even more users, investors, and partners to the Pi ecosystem. But how exactly will this affect Pi's price in the coming weeks? Well, let's break it down step by step. First, we need to understand that Pi's current price predictions heavily depend on community actions and the speed at which more pioneers complete their KYC verification. The good news is that Pi's core team has significantly improved the speed of KYC approvals, meaning unverified balances will be migrating even faster. With more Pi migrating onto the mainnet, we're anticipating increased activity on Pi marketplaces, exchanges, and dApps. And what does more activity mean? It means greater utility and, consequently, higher value for each Pi coin. Now, here's something important you should remember. Pi Network's entire valuation strongly depends on real-world usability. Now, let's talk specifically about the next few weeks. Many Pi community members believe Pi's initial open market valuation could reach significant levels very soon, reflecting its current 11th place ranking. From my personal observation and after careful analysis, here's what I think. Given the rapid growth in adoption, accelerated KYC processing, and increasing network activity, PiCoin's value in the coming weeks could realistically experience a meaningful surge. In fact, it wouldn't be surprising to see Pi initially stabilizing somewhere around a few tens of dollars before quickly scaling upward, potentially even surpassing expectations as more pioneers verify and migrate. So keep mining, stay informed, and let's get ready for big things ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you all in my next video. Take care, and bye for now.